Hi, and welcome to How to Make Money with Blogging in 2020, even if you're a complete beginner. My name is Dr. Pete, and I am a dentist turned online entrepreneur. This is video number 4 in a mini-series on easy ways to make money online, and we'll concentrate on blogging. In a couple of minutes, I'll give you the best tips to make your blog a success and bring in some cold hard cash. But first of all, what is blogging? Blog is a shortened term for weblog, which as the name suggests is an online journal. It started with people recording their daily activities, opinions and personal stories. And as the web has developed, blogs have gained hugely in stature and made some bloggers millionaires. How do we start blogging? Well, first of all, you will need a platform to publish your blog on. This could be your own website or free hosted options such as Tumblr, Medium, and the aptly named Blogger. Having your own website only costs a few dollars to buy the domain name and the web hosting, but it will make you look a lot more professional, so it's well worth doing. There are loads of tutorials on how to set up a domain and hosting, and it can be done in under an hour. So what do I blog about? Well, the answer is whatever drives you. If you have a passion, then follow it. You will find it a lot easier to write multiple blogs on a topic that you love rather than something you picked just because you thought it would make you money. Which gets us on to now, how do I make money? Before you can even think about making money, you have to develop know, like, and trust with your audience. It's not reasonable to expect to slap up one blog post and make a fortune. After you have the trust of your readers, you will naturally build a bigger audience as word gets around. Only then can you start to make money. If you have a large amount of visitors to your blog, then you can monetize with AdSense adverts. Google will pick the offers that they think will work well on your page, and you will get paid when someone buys. Typically, the commissions are small, but build up rapidly as your reader list grows. If you have a smaller list, then you can promote your own offers if you have them, or you can carefully pick appropriate affiliate offers and get paid when your readers buy. Depending on the offers you pick, you can make a lot of money. The huge advantage you will have is that all of the traffic is organic, so the money you make is at no financial cost, as you are not driving paid traffic. There is, however, a time cost to write your content. Now, getting back to my earlier promise, the best way to make money with blogging is to pick a niche where money is being spent, and then to blog about the specific sub-niche. For example, if you pick weight loss to blog about, you will get lost in all the noise. But if you pick weight loss for women after pregnancy, or weight loss for men over 50, then you'll have a much greater chance of success and financial reward. If you would like to check out my amazing program that shows you step by step how to replace your income, then go to online-deals.me/replace or click the link in the first comment. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and click the bell to be notified of new videos as they are uploaded. The next video will be on making money with membership sites. I will see you there.